Alright, so as some of you may know, I've been trying to get my hands on this fragrance for quite some time now. This is the Tom Ford Oud Wood, the 30 milliliter unboxing video. I haven't seen too many of the unboxing videos on YouTube, so I figured I'd make a quick one. And this is what it comes in right here. Get a good look at it. Oh shit, I hit the wrong button. Oh man, there we go, right there. All right, hold on. So yeah, you open this right up. There we are. So this is what it looks like right here. Tom Ford on top. Alright, and you just open that, and there she is. She is a beauty. Yes, she is. Boom. That's how it kind of looks right there. You just rip this thing off. You know what I mean? That's what the damn, I keep hitting the picture button. My fault. This is what the spray thing looks like right there. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. I really like it. This smells like, well, it's definitely woody, hence the name. It's spicy, but like a warm spice. Definitely has a touch of vanilla, a little bit of amber, but the oud and the wood I would definitely say it's the biggest accords of this fragrance. Has a little bit of aromatic to it, and a little bit of balsamic, but the strongest accords are the wood and the oud for sure. So yeah, it's Tom Ford Oud Wood. Like the video, subscribe, comment down below. I'm out.